Check if there are any damage of the back and then take it out. The condition of the e-bag and make sure all the components are in the order. Check the accessories of the e-bag. This is the user manual seat. This is the chargers, pedals, and tool kits. Now let's check the condition of the e-bag. Check if there's something hurt of the surface. The lithium battery pack is inside the chassis. And then loosen the screw. Turn the displays on to the front side. Make sure this player aligns as the fork. Take out the screw. And then let us use the clip to mount the handbar. Tie up the screw. Make sure the handbar position is correct and the center is aligned at the chassis. Connect the connector and make sure the arounds to the around. Another connector. Remove this component because it is used to fix the fork. Take it away. Remove the screws of the defenders. Mount the defenders and lamp together. Let's assemble the front wheel and make sure the disc is aligned to the brake. Screw it up. Pull it up. Check if there have any noise of the rim. Align the handbar to the rim. Once we align these handbars, we should tighten the screw. Let's mount the pedals, which have the arc indicate.
Turn on the e-bike.
First, let us press the second button to wake up the bike, and then press the first button twice. When you heard the do-re-mi sounds, it means that the bike had wake up, and then press the switch to start the e-bike. This is the speed changers. This to turn up the speed and turn down the speed. This is the lamp buttons, and this is the turning light. This is the horn. This is the accelerator. And this is the speed changers. This is the USB chargers for your phone, and this is the phone holders. Press these two buttons together for the setting interface. Then let's to find out the QR code surface. Let's install this app and use this app to scan the QR code. Input your name. Now you can use this app to control your e-bag. This is a charger port. Let's press in. First, let's use your hand hold the batteries in this place, and then place the kit in. Turn it up to the right, then the battery is out. And then let it push the battery in, and then enjoy your driving.